Hey guys, how you all doing? It is 6 p.m. ish on a Tuesday morning and I'm just out for a couple of hours after work just for a bit of a shakedown hike. A few things I wanted to test out before the Kosciuszko trip. Number one, test out and wearing my new shoes. Well, new as in, I guess they're new, but they're pretty much the exact same shoe I was using beforehand. The Ultra, Lone Peak or Superior, I forget which one, but yeah, before I had the 3s and now these are the 3.5s. Unfortunately, I found by buying these that Ultra is no longer going to be supplying Australian stores, which is a bit strange, so I have to buy everything from overseas now. But it is what it is. I do like supporting the local stores, but I guess if they're not going to ship to them, then I've got no choice. And the other thing I wanted to test out is this camera's number one, low light capability and also wind. It is pretty windy at the moment, so I'm wondering how the audio quality is going to be. So anyway, I got my head torch. As it gets darker, we'll see how we go. Out for a few Ks, so got my pack and everything with a few kilos in it, nothing too much. And yeah, it looks like a nice evening, so on we go. So apart from the wind that you can probably hear in the background, not too sure how it's being picked up on the camera. I'm just rotating it around a little bit, but it's actually a beautiful evening, beautiful night, and so far I'm pretty impressed with the low light capabilities of the RX. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think, if you can even hear me at all above this wind. I really got to put some of those wind muff thingamajigs over the microphones on this camera, but I mean, that's what this test is all about, to see what it's like and how it goes. Anyway, onwards we go. That's about it. Nice little hike out, beautiful weather. Winter is finally coming. Super excited for the Easter long weekend hike and then just heaps of hikes thereafter. But for now, let's get back home and have a look at the footage.